class 10 at AVSB Medical Public School. So today I will be saying about a very well-known idiom, which is failures are the pillars of success. So let's start. In the journey of life, everyone has to struggle by facing ups and downs. Obstacles and hardships are bound to be there in one's life, but what is important is to how to tackle with them. It is the perception of an individual towards the same that defines the course of his life. It is one's tireless pursuit that will lead one to success. Success and failure are two faces of a coin. There are people who may give up, or there are others who are ready to take failure as a challenge. A brave person take the failure as a challenge and I'm so sorry, and take steps to climb the ladder of success. Destiny also favors the brave. It is also our attitude towards the life that helps us to shape our destiny. Failures can be disheartening when one is unable to cope with the situation. At such times, one must remember that it is the coward who run away from the situation. It is seldom that a child can walk without tumbling or falling down, but these small failures do not deter his spirit. Slowly and gradually, he learns to stand on his feet and then walk. It is because of the child's willpower that he is able to stand upright. This gives us a lesson that we must try and try until we succeed. Success is a culmination of hard work, dedication, and determination. It is not necessary that every effort bears fruit, but every step definitely gives us an experience, and the experience is incomparable. Failure is not only make us aware of our shortcomings, but also provide us a learning lesson. They hint towards an individual's weakness, lack of preparation, and lack of efforts. A person who can learn from his failures and work upon them is bounded to be successful in life. With each failure, an individual steps closer to success. The success after a number of failures is valued and cherished much more. If we look at life history of successful people, we will find that every successful people has failed at some times of time in his life. It is just that the person was smart enough to extract learning from those failures. Every time they experience a failure, they bounce back with the rejuvenated spirit. They did they did not let the rejection of a failure overcome their spirit to achieve their goals. This is what made them successful. Nothing great has never been achieved without consistent effort in the face of innumerable difficulties. Here are some examples. Bill Gates, a Harvard University dropout, founded Microsoft in 1975, which became the world's largest PC software company. In his first business, Trafford failed, but he did not give up, and now he is one of the wealthiest person in the world. Another example is Walt Disney, the creator of Mickey Mouse and founder of Walt Disney Company. Winner of 22 Academy Awards, Disney failed to join the United States Army, become an ambulance driver in Red Cross in 1920s. He set up a Disney Brothers studio and made them many famous animated film, got many Academy Awards. Later, he founded Disneyland and Disney Park. Similarly, J.K. Rowling, author of Harry Potter, spent a full life of poverty and depression before she wrote her first novel. 12 publishing house refused to publish the first book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stones, but now it has become one of the most famous book in the world. There were 6 sequels in the book, which became one of the best-selling books in history. She has lived a rag to riches life story and become one of the wealthiest women in United Kingdom. Eventually, it is our patience and determination that leads us to road of success. One has to pay the price of one aspiration and dreams with one perseverance and dedication. As Rome wasn't built in a day, one cannot become successful overnight. The road to success is rough and patchy with hurdles and obstacles, but all failures become insignificant once we accomplish our goal successfully. That's it for today.